Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha MT-07. This twin-cylinder naked sport bike just arrived with only 4,000 miles. Beautiful condition, ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Wait till you hear that Akrapovic exhaust. This bike has been lowered. So if you've got a shorter inseam, this is the one for you. Beautiful condition. Come on by. Make your MT-07 with ABS dreams come true for just $69.99. This thing's priced too low. It's not going to be here long. We have finance. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.